Okay, last round. Okay, so am I first? Yeah. Hold on. Nope, hold on. Dude, you are so bad. Okay, now mine. No fair.
I don't know how to. That was time for round 2.
Okay.
Every time I need to take a poo in the bathroom.
Okay, now you two judges will guess on who might win.
Alright! How come every time I need to take a poo in the bathroom, you out of the... Why am I singing that?
Okay, we have our contestants from last round. First one, Bonnie versus Clown Freddy.
I'm excited. Oh, nice.
Okay, how about Blue Foxy? Alright, now Clown Freddy.
What the fuck was that?
No, I'm not ready yet. That wasn't it. Sorry, that wasn't it. Here's it. That was it.
That was it?
Yes.
Well, that's a 0. Same. You're out.
Ah!
He's bad at burping. Why did he even get into this challenge?
Freddy versus Golden Freddy. The Freddy dudes.
Well, they're very different because Golden Freddy is really fat. No, Toy Freddy's the fattest one.
Hold on, that wasn't it.
Alright, that was the best. 1 million, 100 million. Same.
I don't got time for this burp there.
I can't rate that because it's so bad.
Okay, how about this? Oh, that wasn't it. That was it. Oh, how's that? I'm gonna win. Oh, but I'm still... Jackal Bonnie versus Christmas Foxy. Okay, my turn first, right?
Yep.
No, it's my turn.
You sound like Ben.
4.
You literally sound like Ben. You sound like Ben.
Ah! How about mine?
Yep, that was better. That was way better.
All right. Ow, my back. Last round. Phantom Foxy versus Tie-Dye Foxy. Okay. Let me try and get this. Sorry, I'm only a baby. This is the best I can do. No. Huh. You got enough on me, little kid. Now it's time for the next round. Alright. Okay, let me go first. I think I'm gonna win, be honest with you.
Was that it?
Nope. Come on, judges, what are you waiting for? We gotta get her paper. Delicious.
Alright, so,
What the heck? What was that?
Now mine.
Way better.
Hold on, wait, that wasn't it.
Yes, it was.
No, let me do it.
What the heck? Were you just trying to sing "Sticking Out Your Dad" for the Rizzler? Were you trying to sing that?
No, I was trying to say skibbity.
Oh.
Ready?
The last round.
Oh no. Wait. That wasn't it. That wasn't it. That wasn't it. Okay, here's it. Oh, it tried the burp and then I farted
Oh
instead.
my god.
Let me try again.
Was that it?
Okay, let me do this.
You sound like a demon.
That wasn't it. That wasn't it. Here's it. Hello.
What the- What?
I tried to say yellow. Oh, come on.
I thought you said to say shallow.
This determines the champion. Bonnie versus Tie-Dye Foxy.
Well, there's still some people left, right?
Yep.
And then that's going to be the last round, right?
Yep. Which are also these two that need to go. All right. Okay. So whoever wins this goes on to the finale. Okay. Okay. Let me try and do this. Oh, I gotta pop out my Fanta. Please doesn't make a noise.
What was that?
That was just my little fart. Okay, first is mine.
You sounded like a
Hold on.
demon.
No, that wasn't it. Okay, here is it. I tried to say yellow. Okay, now your turn. Okay.
What are you drinking?
Oh, nothing. That wasn't it. Wait, no. Spills Fanta. No!
You're out. Drinking soda, no allowed. Boy, you're doing the finale. All right, this is the finale.
Okay. Okay, I got this. No, me got this. We drink beer. Not allowed, Springtrap. Use something else. Oh, I'm thinking. We burp like a ship. Hello, guys. I just to say hello, guys.
I knew.
Okay, now mine. Hello, guys. And now it's the finales.
Peace. Woo! I'm not surprised. Burp already.
Okay. Me first. Hello, guys. Oh, dang it. Now I will do the biggest burp ever. Wait, hold on. I feel strange.
Whoa! That was the biggest burp out of them all.
So did I win?
Oh, let's get the judges back. Oh.
What do you guys think of my literally world destruction burp?
I think that maybe, so first, before you get your trophy, we're gonna take a speech.
Oh, so am I eliminated?
Yeah. So, Bonnie,
Oh,
these guys, you're on the news. You guys were on TV the whole time.
Yeah, I knew that. I saw like 2 cameras while I was burping.
So, before you get your prize, can you please kind of just tell us about you and like what you like?
Well, I signed up for this contest since I have been drinking soda for my entire life and I have never burped. That's because I've been saving up my burp just for today. So, when I felt weird, all of the soda burps came right out of my mouth.
Well, what do you say?
Thank you.
No, I mean like, how has your life been going?
Well, things have been kind of tough. Well, wait, guys.
What?
The past lives! Wait, they're still haunting us!
Wait, but you didn't get your prize yet.
It's too bad. I gotta set the calendar. Oh no. That's bad. That's really bad.
Just let me get your prize ready.
Okay, you better get it ready or else I'm gonna die. 'Cause I gotta go get back to the battle.
Well, your prize is almost coming. All right, now come here.
Woohoo! Okay, now we gotta go back to the battle.